Hi all, now I teach you how to create quotation in QE Ordinum. So after you already log in the QE Ordinum, you may go to sales and then click the quotation in the navigation here and then click new button at home. After click new, you may select the customer name. For let's say I choose Advanced Trading Sdn Bhd. It will show out all the information. If you want to fill in this validation, also the else information you also can change if you need it. If you don't need it, you can just go to here document date. Document date here is always follow the window calendar date. So if you want to change, also can change. You can change to yesterday or next month. Also can. You may adjust this date by yourself. And then this is a quotation number. You can just ignore it. It will automatically running by system. After that, you can go to here to fill in your stock code. In here, stock code, please search. Or you already know the stock code, you can just manual type. After that, after I already select the stock code, I may select the quotation quantity and then the unit price. After put the unit price, also I can next to another stock code. Once done, you can go back to here home again. You can just click save or save and new or preview and new also can. Preview and new, it will system help you preview the quotation format. This is the quotation format, and then you can just print, click print, direct print this quotation out, or you can export to PDF file in here, and then you can forward to your customer. You can via WhatsApp or email after you already export to PDF file, and then you can close it and continue another new quotation if you want to. Thank you.